In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover photos from your old Google account. Losing valuable photos can be frustrating, but luckily I'm here to explain the process step by step so you can retrieve those memories quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your old Google account. You can do this by going to the Google sign-in page, entering your credentials, and if all goes well, you'll gain access to your account. This step might seem straightforward, but it's crucial because you'll need to be inside your account to start the photo recovery process. Make sure you have the correct email and password to access your account. Once you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a small grid of squares and it's usually located at the top right corner of your Google homepage. Click on that and you'll see a list of services provided by Google. From there, you want to click on Photos. This will take you to Google Photos, where all your uploaded images are stored. Now here's where the magic happens. Inside Google Photos, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the Trash option. Clicking on Trash will show you images that have been deleted but are still recoverable, at least for a limited time. Keep in mind that photos remain in the trash for a period of 60 days before being permanently deleted, so it's important to act quickly if you're hoping to retrieve them. When you're inside the trash folder, scroll through and select the photos you wish to restore. You can do this by clicking on each photo individually. Once you've selected the ones you want back, go ahead and click the restore button. This action will move your selected photos back to your main library, allowing you to access them as you normally would. If you've recently encountered the unfortunate event of deleting your old Google account, don't worry just yet. You may still have a chance at account recovery and subsequently photo recovery. Head over to the Google account recovery page. This page will guide you through the necessary steps to attempt to regain access. Be prepared to provide as much information as possible to demonstrate ownership of the account, such as old passwords or other associated details. If your recovery attempt is successful, you'll be able to log into your old account again and access not just your photos, but all the data associated with that account. I hope this guide was helpful for you and that you're able to recover those precious memories. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.